It is a fact that there are various types of how to stop snoring remedies which are known to be effective, so you do not really have to worry about it too much. All you need to do is to mobilize your efforts and make use of various natural remedies and use it to your advantage. These natural remedies may include the following. If you want more advice on how to stop snoring, please subscribe my channel. More lookbook videos are coming very soon. If you seriously want to know how to stop snoring and avoid sleep apnea, then please click the link in the description below. Sleeping properly. Your sleeping position can be considered a factor that adds up to your snoring problem. When you are lying on your back, this provides relaxation to your throat muscles and your tongue is tilted backwards. As stated, this position can hinder your smooth breathing, which will then result to snoring. If you want to find out the best remedy and learn how to stop snoring, you might want to try different positions when sleeping. But the most recommended is for you to sleep on either of your sides and try to make it a continuous habit. Elevate your head. If you want to learn how to stop snoring, you might also want to consider the position of your head when sleeping. As much as possible, try using higher pillows or snoring pillows in order to make your breathing smoother and for clearer air passages as well. Weight loss. This can also be helpful when learning how to stop snoring. Remember that if you are fat or you have started gaining weight, fatty cells that build up in your throat may cause you to snore when sleeping. So you have to make sure to hit the gym at least once a week or do regular exercises at home to reduce weight. Stop snoring exercises. It is true that there are various types of exercises that can help you get rid of your snoring problems. These exercises are known to be very effective and simple to practice. Avoid alcohol consumption. Alcohol, just like sedatives, are often linked to snoring. Avoid consuming alcoholic beverages before going to bed as it can relax the muscles in your throat, which may also result to snoring. Yoga and meditation. Yoga is considered as a top-rated breathing exercise. You should know that various types of breathing exercises can help you get rid of the constriction in your air passages and improves the beating of your heart at the same time. This can help you achieve a smoother breathing process even when sleeping, and this can help you prevent snoring. If you really wish to know how to stop snoring, you may do a little research on the internet for this. You may also want to visit a specialist to learn how to stop snoring in a medical or natural way. There are other devices that can be very helpful as well, but as much as possible, try the natural remedies first when learning how to stop snoring before resorting to any of these medical remedies or devices. Click the link in the description below. If you like the video, then give the thumbs up, and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more information. I love you as I love myself. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.